Hey guys, today I wanted to discuss Visual Basic Script in Microsoft Excel. And it's to, if you have multiple worksheets and different workbooks and you're wanting to grab that data and put it into one worksheet, this seems to be the best tool to use, at least grabbing separate sheets with one run of a code. So if you were in a normal spreadsheet, you just hit Alt F11 and it would bring up the Developer tab. And then you would go to View, Code, and then put your code in there. But since I worked on this sheet prior, the code that I already put in is going to show up as a macro. So I just go to View Macros. And in this case, I'm going to go to Edit so I can show what the macro is trying to do. So as you can see, I'm grabbing different objects, and I'm also using this path to grab all of the files, all the different workbooks. You have my range there, row copy. You want to do it as a PasteSpecial, and you want to just keep adding rows to the bottom of your spreadsheet. So I think the most important thing is to have all of your titles exactly the same. So in my example, I have example 1 and example 2, and the same, company name, address, city, state, zip, ABC, DEF, GHI. And then on my second spreadsheet, I also have the same company name, address, city, state, zip. And this time I use JKL, MNO, PQR. So now what I want to do is go back to my macro. And I'm going to have the code in the description section. So if you wanted to copy that code and just change the path, it should work for you as well. So in here, just go to your macro, View Macros, and you want to run it. And as soon as you run it, it's going to gather your data almost at a split second. So there you have ABC, DEF, GHI, JKL, MNO, PQR. And it puts it all in one. So there is no go into the spreadsheet, copy, paste, go over here, copy, paste, and everything like that. You eliminate a lot of that. It's very efficient, and it's something that, even if you're building databases and everything, you can use this tool to gather all your data into one sheet, and then you can have the one table where you can do your queries and all that other stuff. So, okay, as always, like, comment, and subscribe, and feel free to visit us on the web at www.graycomconsulting.com. Thanks.